Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will meticulously learn and thoroughly get to know the precise and correct way to efficiently upload and seamlessly add a visually appealing and impactful cover, also known as channel art, to your professional YouTube channel. By utilizing this effective and straightforward method, you will be able to effortlessly change your channel's current cover to a brand new, updated, and more engaging one, allowing for greater personalization and a more professional online presence. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support us by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking, and sharing this video with your friends and family. So, after opening the YouTube app as usual, next go to this place and click on it. Then you will want to click on your channel name directly from here. After that, you will need to click on this prominent pencil icon, which is located right here. Then proceed to click directly within this specific area, ensuring you select the correct spot. Now at the bottom, you will see two options appear. The first available option allows you to conveniently take a new photo using your phone's front-facing or rear-facing camera. And the second distinct option allows you to easily upload a pre-existing image. For example, I already have a ready-made cover, so I will click here. So in this area, all the images stored on your phone will appear. For instance, I will carefully select this particular image and then proceed to click on it. As you can clearly see now, I'm able to precisely adjust the overall size and dimension of this image so that it perfectly fits the optimal display dimensions for a television screen, a computer monitor, and also for a mobile phone device. And finally, you will simply click on the Save button located conveniently from here to confirm your changes. Now the newly created cover art is currently being uploaded to your channel. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly helpful YouTube tutorials where you'll undoubtedly find important and detailed guides that you'll truly like and significantly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends, and you can easily and effectively create a professional and appealing cover for your channel using some of the most popular and widely used applications available, or alternatively, the very well-known and user-friendly app, Canva. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.